Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? JitteryJay here. Hope everybody's having a great day so far, and hoping I can make it just a little bit better. We got an epic battle in front of us. We have roguewave versus Jairo in the Grand Beatbox Battle 2023 World League Tag Team Final. This is gonna be a hell of a battle. I've been waiting for this one. Um, Even more than I was waiting for the Rofu versus Jackpot. And that one was a little bit off for me. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Before we get started, as always, we're going to hit the original video with a like and subscribe. And if you enjoyed watching this with me, I invite you to do the same for this video. And let me know in the comments what I need to look for. Titles work best. I will get to them as soon as I can. Make sure you tap the notification bell so you know when I drop my next video. Again, shout out to Swissbeatbox for bringing us this content. Let's get into this. This is gonna be good.
Let's begin. Hit him with the glitch. Are you ready?
準備はいいですか?
Yep. Been waiting.
First up, ooh la la. Give it up for Rogue Wave. Let's begin. Hit him with the glitch.
Right on.
River, COLAPS, Rogue Wave versus
続いては
from Japan.
日本から
Give it up for Jairo. Hit him with the glitch.
I don't know which one of those two makes me wish I had my long hair more. Oh man, my hair used to go all the way down my back, and then I started cutting it short and shorter and shorter, and then it started falling out. So I just started buzzing it. That's it's gonna fall out. I'm gonna help it. Anyway, both of these guys, look at that hair. This is gonna be good.
Are you ready for the tag team finals?
Yes.
Not good enough. Are you ready for the tag team finals? We have Jairo versus Rogue Wave. Jairo won the coin toss, chose Rogue Wave to go first, battling for $15,000, the title of GBB Champions 23. Let's get into it. I say the trois, you say the deux. No, left, right, side to side, everybody. In trois.
Beatbox. See? Right into it. Ooh. That's hard.
Put your motherfucking hands up.
Oh. That's a nasty finish. Now that is what I call a battle round. Holy crap. Jairo's gonna have to pull something out to top that. Let's see what they got.
Switch.
This is gonna be good.
Silent in the arena, like I'm losing track of time. Like I don't really care right now. Maybe that's fine.
Ooh.
I sent you flower. Did you even care? You ran the shower, left them by the stairs. Don't be mad at you together that time I was fine. You and us in those days like it was once. I know you think you're such an outlaw, but you got no show. You ain't nothing better than scars. This ain't nothing like it was once. I know you think you're such an outlaw.
Okay. After the first round, I'm confused. To put it bluntly, I'm confused. That seemed more like a showcase or an elimination than a battle round. It may just be me, but that did not seem like a battle round from Jairo. They're really gonna have to step it up the next round. Right now, I've got roguewave way ahead. Dude didn't even start beatbox until like 20 seconds left to go. He was singing the whole time. So I wonder if they're going to count that against him or against the team. I mean, it was simplistic. It was a nice, mellow beat. But, yeah, I wonder if they're going to count that against him. Yeah, that's what confused me. It was more like a showcase. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, and let's get back into this and see what happens with round 2.
Switch.
Nice.
Switch.
Okay. They came back with a slower melody of their own, but did you notice that they were able to be more intricate with it because it was two of them working the melody and the beat instead of just one? If that makes sense. That's what it seems to me. They were able to be more technical with it because it was both of them working at it. But yeah, that was good. I like that. All right, Jairo, you got to come back with something hard. Okay.
So listen up, keep your ears to the ground. Don't look at any mistake now. I'm the dude with the donkey crown, and I ain't gonna be taking
Nice. I mean, they're very in tune with each other, that's for sure. But then I've noticed all these tag teams, they have an ear for it.
If I search my feelings, I don't know.
Again, that seemed more like a showcase round. They were playing more to the crowd. There was no challenge for the other team. Or there's no challenging the other team, I should say. That's what's throwing me off about it. That it doesn't seem like battle rounds from Jairo. I don't know where their mindset was with this, but that doesn't seem like a battle round. That seems more like a showcase or an elimination. But I mean, they did the thing. It was good. I like it. I liked it a lot. But I don't think it's going to be enough to catch up with roguewave. So let's see what you guys think in the comments. Let me know. And we're going to get into this and we're going to see who won. I got roguewave ahead though.
Roguewave, Jairo, that was the finals. GBB23, make some noise for the tag team finals.
大きな拍手をお願いします。
Yeah. They all did their thing.
Now it's time to find out who the champions are.
いよいよチャンピオンの発表です。
Please join us on the stage. I need to have Roguewave
And that's
and
the issue.
Jairo.
I'll get to that in a minute. Let's see who won.
All right.
Roguewave on this side. Jairo on this side. Passing the torch along is Supernova.
All right. The winners, once again, will be going home, splitting $12,000.
12,000ドルを獲得する勝者は、
Each of them will be receiving the Avirex jacket.
勝者には使用金だけではなく、アビレックスさんから提供されたジャケットとローランドさんからの、こちら。
Each of them will also be receiving the V-Moda headphones.
V モダのヘッドホンが贈呈されます。
And last but not least, each of them are getting a Roland Boss Mark II.
マーク2のループステーションももらえ
Loop
ます。
Station.
Nice.
The prize pack is also included with some other goodies. But let's get to this. Do you guys want to find out who your champions are?
皆さん誰か知りたいですか、
Yep.
チャンピオンは。
Come on.
From the bottom to the top, right now, GBB23, live and direct in Tokyo. Your tag team champions are Roguewave!
I call it. Okay. Yeah. Much deserved. Like I said, both teams did their thing, but roguewave came with some battle rounds. That was my take. They came with ready to do battle, and he said, "Let's find out who your champions are." That's the problem. Jairo's going up against two champions there with COLAPS and River. Them two together is insane. But yeah, this was good. Let me finish this out. Remember, all of their socials are going to be linked in my description, so you can follow all these artists. Yeah, show them the support they deserve.
Ooh la la!
along with the link to the original video,
But
will be in the
making
description.
it all the way to second place, can you please make some noise for Japan's own Jairo?
Like I said, they did their thing. It just wasn't enough against Rogue Wave.
An incredible feat.
All right.
I want to get a huge round of applause for every tag team that was on this stage.
タッグチーム全員に再度改めて大きな拍手をお願いします。
Right.
What's up everyone, we are roguewave. Thank you so much for watching our videos at the GBB.
You can follow us on our social medias. I go by the name of RiverBBX on Instagram.
And I'm COLAPS BBX. See you soon.
Thank you for watching.
Yo, we are Jairo from Japan, and please subscribe our YouTube channel and SNS.
Big shout out to Swissbeatbox.com and our Beatbox community.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, that was something else. It was a good battle, and I just got confused by Jairo's rounds. I may be way off on that. Somebody let me know in the comments if I am. It's just my take on it. Is I thought that was more. Jairo did more of an elimination or showcase round. It wasn't as much of a battle round to me, and I think that hurt him. But like he said, they made it to second place. So shout out to both teams for making it as far as they did. To all the teams, really. This is good. Let me know what you thought about this in the comments, and let me know what to look for next. That's going to just about do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this with me, and I hope to see you on the next one. I love you guys. Peace.